Yeah, man, say all praises and honor to Yahweh, Barashim Yahushai, Barashim Rakakodash, and double honors to the apostles and elders of Graven Stone. Shalom to all our brothers and out there push the truth in all sincerity and in all honesty. You know, and this is a brother from James Jamaica Camp. I'm Yashamai.
Ashar.
I war.
I want to have a lesson, you know, on some old brain chip thing, you know, because, you know, I can't, well, prophecy. I can't do it, John, you know, on the island of Patmos, you know, get the vision, you know, of all these things to come. You see, it's basically people that take chip in them head and in them hand. And now we're seeing, you know, this whole brain chip thing I push hard, you know, to the forefront. You see, so very soon we're going to leave this wicked society because this RFID microchip, which is the mark of the beast, you know, and World War III are two main prophecy, you know, over the years, you know, we, the men of the Lord, been looking for to come to pass. So we're seeing how everything now put into place, you know, basically bring forth, you know, this prophecy, you know, in full effect. Right? You can go on, brother?
This is an article from RT News, published February 1st, 2021. It says Elon Musk say his Neuralink startup as a brain chip monkey who plays video games. See?
So it started to what did them? I think last year them use one pig. I know them use a monkey.
Because it says Elon Musk has claimed that one of his startup companies has testing facility where a very happy lab monkey with a brain chip implant can play video games. You see it? It says Tesla and SpaceX. Elon Musk made the claim during a live stream for fans and the innovation only conference up in Clubhouse on Sunday evening, during which he spoke about his neurotechnology company Neuralink. We have a monkey with a wireless implant in their skull with tiny wires who can play video games with his mind, Musk claim, adding, you can see where the implant is, and he is a happy monkey.
So, I must say happy. You have a revelation from my brother? Revelation 13 and verse 16.
Just like how you see Jake running down this PS5, man. See? You know, new technology, new game. See? Jake happy when they get them a PS5. When something like this come out now, you hear Jake when people really find out, say, boy, you know, say you can't play a video games without you have to use your hand or nothing, or nothing. You just might use your mind and play video game. See? And you can learn something. See? Without you have to do much studying on them something. People will gravitate to them things they use, man.
I used to advertise that they were good, you know, make you point out when say that
make you happy.
The monkey happy.
Yeah.
You know? Because that you want get Jake to do. You know, run go grab it. Go on, brother.
Revelation 13 verse 16.
Go on.
It calls it all both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in your right hand or your forehead.
So this is how we are moved towards right now, this prophecy. He calls it hard, so he want every single body. You know, the banking elite, you know, the wicked rulers of the society, they want every single body to receive a RFID microchip, which is the mark of the beast.
Right.
You know what read the part again, brother?
Say, and he calls it all, both small and great,
Go on.
rich and poor, free and bond,
Free and bond, go on.
to receive a mark in their right hand or in their forehead.
In their right hand or in their forehead. Because a lot of people gonna take chip even on them head.
Right.
Seeing ESAU now using the monkey, or experiment on the monkey, you know, you might get this whole brain chip ready, you know, to basically give out, you know, unto people. Right? And according to the scripture, if you take this chip, you're gonna get destroyed. You know, Heavenly Father got you how about Shemesh, you're gonna destroy if you take this chip, yo.
Right.
Right? Go on.
And that no man might buy or sell, save he that had the mark or the name of the beast or the number of his name.
So it's going to reach to that point. You know, because right now we're heading into an economic collapse. Right? So ESAU, Edom, you know, want to transfer this whole society, this whole fiat currency society to a digital society. Right? So in order for you survive in this new system, you know, this new world order, this new way of life, but ESAU, Edom push right now, so-called white man, you have to take a chip. Because people say, no man not going to be able to buy or sell, save either of the mark. So without the chip, you're not going to be able to survive. Right? But the scripture tell you. So people say, Lord said, not going to make us, you know, be ashamed in the evil time. And in days of famine, you're going to be satisfied. So faith is very important, you know, in this time to living in. Right? So John get the vision of these things to come. Now we're seeing, you know, ESAU, Edom now a push, you know, to basically bring all these things, you know, into play. Right? Can you skip us? I take it in them hand or in them forehead. Right? So now we see the brain chip a push hard now. We already see the RFID microchip a push, you know, in the hand, you know, over the years, especially even in Sweden. You know, a lot of people in Sweden taking the RFID microchip in their hand, but now we see the brain on a push. Right? Because it all go back to what? Bible prophecy. Come on, brother?
It says last year must show off several pigs which had the chip in their skull, including one pig named Dorothy, who had the chip removed. What Dorothy illustrates that you can put in the Neuralink, move it, and be healthy, happy, and indistinguishable from a normal pig must be clear at the end. So basically, when I tell you you can alright, you can put in this chip, see, you'll be normal, happy, and guess what? You can be different from other human being. See? So that it give you, man, like it make you have more power.
Superhuman.
Yeah, like basically that's what I tell you, say you're gonna be a superhuman. Just like as we were saying in even the Matrix, see, when they can something program something in your brain, make you can fly a helicopter, or do any other little thing.
Or you can fight karate.
Make you do anything. See?
Yeah, because and the scripture say it too. You know, in a Psalms 10. They say the wicked, you can bring it up, brother?
Right. This is Psalms 10 verse 3.
Yeah.
For the wicked boasteth of his heart desire.
Since say the wicked boasteth of his heart desire. And who is the wicked? You know, Malachi 1 and 4 tells us, Edom thou shall call him the border of wickedness. And who are the Edomites? So-called white people. So them boast of them heart desire, them mind, you know what them desire. Them show you in them movies. As the brother going Matrix. Right? And now we're seeing them basically push this thing now. So that's how them basically show you how them part of how them show you art desire is by the movie.
Right.
Because things we see, you know, you see the movies years ago, or even from the 90s, now we're seeing these things now, you know, are pushed up on the forefront. So them both of them art desire through the movies.
And blessed the covetous whom the Lord abhorreth. The wicked through the pride of his countenance will not seek after Yahweh. Yahweh is not in all his thoughts. His ways are always grievous.
So-called white man ways always grievous, sir. Especially unto our people. Go on.
You say, thy judgments are far above out of his sight. As for all his enemies, he puffeth at them.
Because as for all his enemies, and we are the number one enemy of the so-called white man, the so-called Negroes, Latinos, and Native American and Indian. We are the number one enemy. So puffeth at us here. What?
It says, jump further down at the article, it says the billion years gold is for technology to eventually be used by humans. The billion years gold is for the technology to eventually be used by humans.
That's what they want. That's what the elite want. The bank elite. The end goal, according to Nick Rockefeller tell Aaron Russo, they want everybody chip. End goal to get everybody chip.
Can.
You hear them I say now, no?
What?
Human who could control devices like smartphones with their brain and Twitter must said the short-term benefit would solve brain spine injuries with the long-term potential being human AI symbiosis. See?
Can I even see videos?
You know, human AI symbiosis. That means transhumanism. You might go in at the same, you know. See? So this man want to, hey, actually, be. As just say, he want to be like the most. He want to be a god. See? That's him. I tell him a merge machine, man. See? Hey, just like the movie we watch Outside the Wire. See? Hey, similar thing this man I come with. I'm a one. You can control devices with your brain. Hey, this song will sound sweet to you because these are the word that the deceiving word is what them bring to you because this man are what? The devil man, see? And then deceive many. As where the scripture basically call them what forgers of lies and physicians of no value. With the reason why them want to chip is to have control of you and not them. You are gonna be the smartphone and the video games to them. Because them are going to chip you for control you. See, that are the end goal of the so-called white man. That's what I want to do.
Revelation 19 verse 20. And the beast was taken, and with him the false prophet that wrought miracles before him.
God.
Which he deceived them that had the mark, that have received the mark of the beast
God.
and have not worshipped the image. These were cast alive in the lake of fire.
Can say super say he deceived them. What? A receiver, the mark of the beast.
Can.
So all who take the RFID microchip, so the scripture said them get deceived. If you take the RFID microchip, right? Like what I tell you about, you know, you can play a game and you're pushing an article, happy. So it's going to make you happy. Because that make things more easier for you. As the brother mentioned, you don't have to use your hand no more playing a game. So you say they deceive them. That receiver, the mark of the beast, which is the RFID microchip. You continue, brother?
And the first verse about the false prophet that had miracles before them.
Talking about the Roman Catholic Church, you know, and all these so-called churches, you know, we are branched from the Roman Catholic, a part of the false prophet, to deceive all people too. You know, this was plantation Christianity. Go on.
Is that finished?
And them that worship his image, these were both cast into the lake of fire, burning with brimstone.
So a lot of people going to get burned by ICBM missile fire, and we're going to destroy the land of America. And also the chariots, you know, the so-called weapon referred to as UFOs. Lord, your house shall come up with thousands and thousands of chariots, right? So we're going to get destroyed by the nuclear fire. We're going to basically destroy the land of America. They're going to get burned by the chariots, the laser beam, powerful laser beam with these chariots fire. One, finish. Give me 1 and 14. Revelation 14. 14 and 9. 14 and 9, yeah.
Revelation 14 verse 9.
One.
And the third angel followed them, saying with a loud voice, when a man worship the beast and his image, and receive his mark in his forehead.
If any man worship the beast, you know, and his image is basically a so-called white man system.
Right.
You know, like this whole new world order agenda we see push heavily right now. Right across the world. Right? And the beast is basically what NATO, you know, alongside the EU, the European Union.
Right.
Go on.
So it says, and the third angel followed them, saying with a loud voice, when a man worship the beast and his image, and receive his mark in his forehead or in his hand.
So if you receive the mark, you know, your forehead or in your hands, with your left hand or your right hand, go on.
The same shall drink of the wine of the wrath of Yahweh, which is poured out without mixture into the cup of his indignation.
Into what? The cup of his indignation. So you're going to get destroyed if you take this chip, yo. If you take this RFID, the microchip, you're going to get destroyed, according to what the scripture says. Right?
And he shall be tormented with fire and brimstone in the presence of the holy angels, in the presence of the Lamb.
In the presence of the Lamb, which is your house share. Because your house share come up with thousands and thousands of chariots, right? You're going to get destroyed, you know, by the chariots. The house shall come up with, if you take the RFID microchip, which is the mark of the beast. Right?
Right, man.
Something there,
No.
And so with that, I say all praises and honor to Yahweh Hashem and Shai Hashem Kodash. And double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Stone. Shalom to all our brothers and out there pushing truth in all sincerity and in all honesty. Shalom.
Shalom.
Shalom.